Where is Hannah? Yeah!
This is the most expensive, believe me.
I am not saying expensive or cheap or whether it... Monsters are not really interested in sleeping. To open this box or... नए घर में जाने से पहले नया सामान तो बनता ही है, तो यहाँ पर आया है हमारे घर में नया वैक्यूम क्लीनर। और भी सारी चीजें आने वाली है, बट दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग आ गया है मेरे घर में। एंड दिस इज दी, पहले जो था सैमसंग का था और वो टूट गया है, मतलब कि 1 साल तक आई कैन यूज। 2 वैसे वाले थे मेरे पास, दोनों भी 1 साल यूज करने के बाद टूट गया। अभी देखते हैं ये कितने साल आएगा।
Guys, more 3 days is left for us to go. Old is damaged. We brought a new one.
तो नया घर नया सामान आ रहा है हमारे घर।
This upside down.
Hetam was sleeping. It's middle of the night around 11:30, and he, as always, don't want to sleep.
What's the color?
Oh, color is the same what we had got. Baba, close the door and come. My God, that's seriously very heavy.
What is heavy? Check.
Heavy?
It looks like you put eggs in those.
Those are big dinosaur eggs. I thought my husband had bought things to do, make it easy and compact.
Honey, don't spoil the name of Hitachi.
Go to see, he bought such a big fat thing. अभी जगह भी नहीं है रखने के लिए. Now this in our new flat we are going to have 2 fridge and 2 washing machine. Where we'll put this? This needs dedicated one place. But it is what you said, baby. Heavy duty.
Now this one is called vacuum cleaner.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Man, you tell me, what is the liter? 15 liters.
Yeah.
How much time will it take you to collect 15 liter dust?
To go over there and check.
The good thing is what now? The earlier one is there, no? You're only removing the filters. What do you think? There is no dust now in that anywhere else?
No, of course there will be.
Here where will be the dust? That is the technique.
You can become a salesman.
Plus,
Hitachi.
no, not Hitachi. This is many over there. Click-on was there.
Achha.
No, I was keep searching, you know.
Okay.
I saw the usage. I saw the
I'm
difference.
sure if Hitachi sees this video, they will contact
Yeah,
you.
this is the most expensive, believe me. But
I
I
am not saying expensive or cheap or whether it will clean good or bad. I'm just saying about the space it will occupy in the house. Middle of the night, 1 o'clock, awake from the sleep and eating pizza.
Yay!
She's thinking what happened. Take which one you want. शाम के बज रहे हैं अराउंड 7:13
7:13.
और हम लोग यहाँ पर खेल रहे हैं
Fireball and water girl we are playing. Let's go into the what? Okay. Press this. Go down.
You want me to
You also press.
quick. Hello? Okay, I'll open the door. So we received one parcel. It's you?
Yeah.
By the time you can make
By the time I came, you removed already.
it was stuck like that.
So how?
It was stuck in this. And it was very now I removed already. See this side?
Super.
The remaining packing started. No, this is the box, no? Same box, right?
Huh?
which we packed yesterday.
No, this is the box.
Mama.
From past 3 days it is getting. Come on, come to eat.
Now we go to the next.
Sit.
Oh, thanks, Mama.
Sit, Hannah.
Mama.
Careful.
One more.
Today, hopefully, we will have cold clothes.
It will go in the suitcase. ये है हमारा मेरा आज का खाना फिश करी राइस भाजी सैलड एंड मोर सैलड
Don't forget that dessert we must take over it.
दैट्स नॉट ours by the way.
If anything is missed out, it will be your responsibility.
Why mine?
Because you are telling last all this.
Yeah, this we are going to do tomorrow.
Everything behind the door.
That
everything else.
tomorrow, maybe today we can do this.
Better we should not.
Arey, where is the sanitizer? I don't know how. Where is it now?
No, it's good idea. I think Thursday now will be very tiring to go and come there.
Yeah. तो आज थर्ड डे है हमारा, थर्ड लास्ट डे है इस घर में, तो वी आर लाइक एंजॉइंग आवर सेल्फ। लेकिन एंजॉय करते करते पैकिंग ही करनी है और यहाँ पर मुझे कुछ तो हुआ है। सो आई एम इन अ ट्रिप। तो ऑलमोस्ट 5 जो बॉक्सेस है वो हो गए हैं पैक, अभी बाकी है ये वाले चीज़ें। तो अभी मैं करूँगी थोड़े टाइम बाद, इनको पहले सुलाती हूँ, उसके बाद करूँगी होम बॉक्स से जो बॉक्स आया है, जो पार्सल आया है उसका उसको अनबॉक्स करके दिखाऊंगी उसमें क्या है। आहा आहा इसे इसे catch her. Where is she going? Catch her. Baba, your milk is getting hot, cold over there. Go drink milk fast. Oh, what's that? Stunned from one point to another. तो यहाँ से वहाँ तक वो she always like to jump. तो हम लोगों ने इस तरह का यहाँ पे एक ये रखा है ताकि even if she falls down there is something. तो ये बॉक्सेस हो गए हैं पैक और ये जो है उसको अनबॉक्स करना है। एंड देयर आर सम मोर बॉक्सेस। फाइनली जो टेंट था हमारा वो निकाल दिया है हम लोगों ने और उसमें जो किचन था we put it in this box.
And in this box there's nothing
and we have written इस तरह के किचन फ्रेजाइल या फिर टेंट फ्रॉम द हॉल, इस तरह के नाम लाइक वी हैव पुट नेम्स। तो कोई दिक्कत
when we see the name it will be easier. So what one we want to do? If we don't put names, what one we want to do? We directly open this by mistake.
Yeah, and
so
it
that's
will
why
be
we put
difficult.
names. So when we put names, then you will see the name and then open the correct one.
So almost 11. It's time for me to have my medicine. जो मेरे चेहरे पर आया है उसके लिए मुझे मेडिसिन लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है। Sleepy time. Yay! Let's go. Let's go, guys. Our second day packing is going on. Second box, right?
For the day, yeah.
Quick packing.
Six boxes we managed to pack.
Yeah, 6 boxes. Hannah
You
will
want
play
to
now
collect
with
kachara really in
that.
the
No,
house?
Hannah will play with that. You should not throw.
If you don't throw old things, new things will never come in.
This is all garbage we have to clear, and we have come to search something which is very important. If we get that, it's good.
Oh,
If no, everything is clear from my cupboard, darling.
only a
I got it, Nano. At least we can use this and make a card. Come on. Don't go inside the cupboard. Come on. Okay, keep ready glue. Whatever color you want the paper to be. Where is Hannah? कुमारी इधर स्टेपलर था ना, staple it. Not on my laptop. Please get down. Please get down. Let me do my work. Please let me do my work. There she is climbing up, and now she is doing the stunt. So these little monsters are not really interested in sleeping. So I decided
Make a video.
to open this box.
Yeah, this again.
This is one sticker I ordered. There is one cutlery tray I ordered. And the important thing in this box is this.
Oh, what's that? To clean?
So these are things which I ordered over here. These are the some of the things. So important thing is box में जो unbox करने के लिए also excited is this one. This is the spin mop which I have ordered. Usually इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है, यहाँ पे मैंने कभी भी नहीं देखा. So I got this one. I will show you guys how it looks like. The most so this is not exactly what you get in India. This is little different. ये microfiber है and I was little worried. I don't know how this is going to work. So this is what I ordered because for few days I am the one who will be cleaning the house. तो मैंने सोचा कि मुझे कुछ easy वाला option चाहिए. I have ordered this. Yes, this is what is the end. Apart from that, ये हम लोगों ने glasses order किए, jars जो कि juice के लिए अच्छे हैं. I cannot open it right now. और ये this is basic thing, bottle. और ये important था मुझे राइस रखने के लिए. So I have ordered this one because हमारा जो dining table है वो थोड़ा सा corner में ये है, इस तरह से है. तो just to cover that part मैंने ये hooks foam ऑर्डर किए हैं. Yes guys, this is what I have ordered 2 days back. Vlog I'm going to end now क्योंकि कल स्टार्ट किया था मैंने vlog एंड नहीं किया है. तो I'm going to end my vlog here only. मैं आप लोगों से मिलती हूँ अगले वाले vlog के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड
Bye bye. Bye bye.